Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a 5 ingredient vegan cheese mix recipe. This dairy-free vegan cheese mix can be stored at room temperature and longer in the fridge. This is the vegan cheese mix I used in my 2 ingredient pasta recipe, and many of you wanted me to share this amazing dairy-free cheese mix recipe. This is a very easy recipe and you just need to add all the ingredients into a dry grinder and blend. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. Into my dry blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup cashew nuts. Add in 1/4 cup nutritional yeast. For those who are new to nutritional yeast, it's an inactive type of yeast made from a single cell organism that is grown on a sugarcane, molasses, or some other medium. Once harvested, it is washed and dried and then deactivated with heat. So the yeast stops growing and it does not have leavening abilities like baking yeast. Nutritional yeast comes in flakes, granules, or in a powder-like form. It has a nutty and cheesy flavor. Next, I'm adding in half teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon dried garlic granules, 3/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, and I'm pulsing it 3 times. And then open the lid, give it a mix, and pulse again 2 more times. Again open the lid and pulse once more. And my vegan cheese mix is ready. This is the consistency I prefer my cheese mix to be. Transfer the vegan cheese mix to an airtight glass container. It will keep good at room temperature for 2 to 3 weeks and longer in the fridge. So guys, if you try this recipe, do send me pictures on Facebook and on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.